Dear students, today I am going to start new chapter, that is chapter 4, PowerPoint. PowerPoint 2007, here we will study. So when I open this Microsoft PowerPoint window, by default you can see the file name as of PPT. PPT stands for PowerPoint. PPT name as presentation 1 until I save it with different name and the name of the software which I am using here, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Besides this, you can observe here, this is the menu bar where we are having home, insert, design, animation, slideshow. These menus are over here. Then on this, next to this, we are having standard toolbar, ribbon we are having, and various groups we are having here, say clipboard, slides, font, paragraph, drawing, etc. Now, if we are having this slide and suppose we want to select insert new slide or change the layout, we can go to this slides group and just click on new slide, and when you will get so many options over here, say title slide, title and content, section header, so many according to your choice. You can select any out of these layouts. Suppose I am having this, say title only. Okay, this one I have selected, and then you can observe this miniature of these slides in left hand side of the window, that is the slides. Now click to add title. I have selected this layout of the slide. I have to just input the title for the slide which on I want to make the slide. Say I am just entering here typography. Typography, this is the title I have entered over here. Now if I want to format this, I have to just select this title and then go to this font option where you are having all these options present for you people, like say font types. So you can change any font type out of, and it's showing you its effect. If you select any font, it's selecting, it is showing you the effect of this font on the selected text. Suppose I am taking say Algerian. Okay, besides this I can change its size, color, everything according to my required. I can change it. Suppose I am making it too bigger, say 44, I have 40, I have taken this size, and then increase or decrease, this is for decreasing and this is for increasing the size of the selected text, whatever you are having. Besides this, we are having bold, italics, underlined, strike through, and if I want to place the shadow also to this, I am having so many text shadow options over here. You can go for it, and then you are having say uppercase or lowercase if you want to change the case of the title. Suppose if I want to make it sentence case, then you can make it sentence case. If you want to change in uppercase, lowercase, that depends on you in whatever case you want to change. Next to this, we are having the color. If I want to change the color of this title, I can go for any color which is displayed here. And if you want to set any other color, just click on more colors and just select any color whichever you want to go for. Say I have selected this one and then click say OK. Besides in this colors dialog box, you are having standard. These colors are shown over here, and this custom hue and saturation points, basically 3 colors we are having. RGB, that everybody knows, basic colors, red, green, blue, and we are having different hue and this color model of a particular color that is showing you its effect inside window. Then click say OK, and then the color of this selected title will be changed. Besides this, girls, if you want to go for any other option, say I want to insert the text box in this slide. So go to insert and then just click on the text box and then on the slide wherever you want to insert this text box. Increase its size, or you can simply start typing over here. Say I am typing Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. This is a text I have this typed over here in this text field, and then just increase its size and select this text, and you can observe, you can format it by just clicking on the say move copy here. All these options are present here, and besides this, you want to change, as you change the title or the formatting size, you can change with respect to this text field also. Same we have done like this earlier. I can go through it and then say any font type, you can say Calibri, and size you can increase its size also, say 44, 47, whatever you opt for, and then increase or decrease the size of this text field according to your choice. This is we have done and this is the way we can insert the text field and we can format it also. Besides this text field, we are having another option in this insert menu only, that is known as the word art. In this we are having certain predefined styles over here. These are so many styles are presented before you girls. So you select any style of your choice. Say I'm going for this one. If I say write down image, this is the way it is showing me here, and I can change its case also. That depends whatever you want to go for. Image, this is the handle. This is just to move the word art wherever you want to move it. This is a way. Okay, and besides this, if I want to format this word art also, just click on it and then say format. We are having certain options, so I say move, copy or cancel, whatever you want to go for. And one more thing, when you are formatting this word art, this is the word style, art styles, all these are before you. You can change any out of this. It is showing you shape styles over here. So many shape styles are visible here. You can go for any shape styles. It is showing you the effect on the slide. If you want to change the color of this shape, you are again having the colors to change it like this. You can change it. Besides, we are having no fill. If you do not want to fill any color, go for no fill. More fill colors you are having here. Then gradient, and these are the various gradients we are having here, and textures also we are having here. Light, dark variations, whatever you want to go for. It shows you effect over here. Besides this shape fill, we are having say texture also. You want to apply any texture, you can go for it and just say click on, and this is the applied to your word art. Besides this, we are having shape outline. If you want to change the outline of your shape, you can go with it. And shape effects also we are having. Different types of shadow we are having here. You can see in each option we are having further more window, more options before you all. You can go for any selected options. I am setting this one only, and this is showing me the effect of this selected option. Besides this, if we want to go for align, we are having this say align, as you know, left, right, center, top, bottom, all this alignment we can go for it. Like I selected left, it is to left, and then say center. So that depends on you wherever you want to place it. Okay guys. Besides this, we are having so many options over text field. This is all I have shown you with the help of that, and here from here also you can change the formatting of this word art also. Besides this, we are having say in design, we are having certain themes also. Suppose as I have created these slides, and first of all I want to insert new slide also. The same step I need to repeat. Say insert. This is, I told you, from slide group, new slide. Besides this, we are having layout option also. Out of this, the same option as I got a new slide, here also I will get it, and say blank. I have selected this blank slide this time. So blank slide is before me, and you can just go for say blank slide. This is here, and if you click on say new slide, again it is before you girls. New slide is over here. Layout you can take from this layout also. And then if you want to apply any predefined themes on the slides, you can select any theme out of this given over here. Besides this, we are having, it is showing you the effect of these themes. If I select any theme out of here, I can apply to my slide. You can see its effect also over here. Suppose I want to go for it. I have selected this one. Now this is okay, this pattern is okay, but this I want to change the color of this. So I have to click on say colors, and then can go with any color. Let's say red, green, blue, metro, module, opulent, Orioles. There's so many colors present over here. Say I have changed it with this other color, and say fonts also I'm having theme fonts. Say any theme I can this font apply, and effects also I'm having theme effects. Say concursor, flow, civic, any this effects also you can apply over here. On this slide, suppose I want to go for this background styles. This is the background style I can apply also on these slides. This is can apply to all slide or single slide as per your choice. Besides this format background, another option I'm having in this here, you're having so many options over here. Solid fill, and a single color gradient fill. It will show you like this. Preset colors are also here. This is all present here. This vast options of are present over here. Besides this, if you want to insert any picture to make as a background on a slide, you can go insert it from any file. If any picture is present in your file, go for the file option. Otherwise, you can take it clip art. As you know, clip art gallery is over here and predefined pictures are over here. If you want any picture from this clip art gallery, just select that picture and insert in your slide and say OK. So that picture will be inserted to your selected slide. Then hide background graphics, this option is also here, and texture, as I shown you, various texture, again it is all available here. And then say close or apply to all if you want to apply to the all slides, and then say close. Thank you guys.